In this video, I'll review the 3 best Amazon PPC strategies that you can implement immediately. I've developed these strategies while working on my brands and 50 others with SellerMetrics. So if you want to take your Amazon ads to a whole new level, stay tuned. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and also the founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon marketing agency. I invite you to subscribe to this channel for content such as this one, where we do deep dives in the latest Amazon FBA news, tips, and hacks. So let's talk about the 3 top Amazon PPC strategies, and let's get into the first ones. The first one would be to negate poor search terms. Whenever a client or anyone asks me about high ACoS, I first ask them whether are they negating their poor search term. This is probably the lowest hanging fruit for better Amazon PPC performance. Why do we want to negate these search terms that are poor performing? Because it prevents ad spend on irrelevant search terms from appearing for your product. The name of the game is ad efficiency. And this is exactly how you do it. You're going to go to your Amazon sponsored ad report, grab your search term report for the last 60 days. You can do this with either both sponsored products or sponsored brands. Once you have your search term report open, you highlight the search terms, and those are the terms that you will be targeting for your negative search terms. You are going to filter the results, and you're going to filter 3 things. The first thing is match type. You're going to filter for the negative sign, phrase, and broad. The second thing that you're going to filter for any search term that has clicks that are equals to 15 or greater. Number 3, you're going to filter for orders equals to 0. The resulting search term are the terms that you want to add as negative. Now, there are really 2 ways that you could actually negate these negative search terms. So first, you could actually go into each and every one of your campaigns on your Amazon ad console and negate them one by one on each campaign manually. Or you could use a bulk file to do your negation in bulk, and as luck would have it, I do have a video to show you exactly how to do just that on the link below. Now let's dive into the second Amazon PPC strategy that works, and that is to scale things that are working. It might seem obvious, but not everyone's doing it. What are these things? It could be ad types, it could be search terms, and it could be budgets. For ad types, Amazon PPC allows you to create 3 different types of ads. So that would be sponsored products, which is the most popular. Number 2, that would be sponsored brands. And number 3, that would be sponsored display. Test all ad types. If certain ad types such as sponsored brand video works well, create them for the rest of your catalog. And for scaling out search terms, just like in the first strategy that I mentioned, download the search term report, find a search term that is converting or making sales for you that has a lower than average ACoS and higher than average conversion rate. Use these search terms to create a broad, phrase, and exact match type. The reason why you want to create all 3 match type is that all the 3 match type will perform differently. Especially for broad and phrase match type, you will discover more search terms and will be able to scale them up even further. Lastly, make sure that you scale your budgets, especially campaigns that are making significant sales for your brand with good ACoS. Never let those campaigns run out of budget. For this, I would like to leverage the budget screen that will allow you to see the average time in budget. And if it's less than 100%, I would consider increasing the budget. The third and final top Amazon PPC strategy is what I call the catch-all campaign. So let's talk about what this catch-all campaign is for a minute. A catch-all campaign is basically an automatic sponsored product campaign in which you advertise all your products and SKUs within your catalog. There's more. The key to making this work is that you will make a lower than average bid on your campaign. Honestly, I was really skeptical with this catch-all campaign at first, but it has completely proved me wrong. It is one of the first campaigns that I would create for my clients where they will see a near immediate improvement in their performance. Why does this campaign strategy work? Because it allows Amazon to bid loosely, because you are affording Amazon to make bids on all your products, but at the same time, you are bidding conservatively by offering low bids. Because of this, you are potentially getting clicks at a real bargain basement price. Those are my top 3 Amazon PPC strategies, and I really hope that you find this video insightful. These strategies can be implemented right now, and I am quite certain that you can get a better bang for your ad spend by implementing them. As we all know, the fees on Amazon are rising, and squeezing every bit of Amazon PPC performance count. Lastly, if you're an Amazon seller and want to grow your business, schedule a discovery call with me using the link below. We are an Amazon marketing agency that helps our clients grow their business profitably. Until next time, keep selling, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is Rick signing off.